Good morning. November 21, 2025, Thursday. Our scripture text for today is John chapter 2, 13 to 22. Our text is after he was raised from the dead, his disciples recalled what he had said. John chapter 2, verse 22. Our topic is reading backwards. Reading the last chapter of a mystery novel that at first may sound like a bad idea, those who love the suspense of a good story. But some people enjoy reading a book more if they know how it ends. In reading backwards, author Richard Hayes shows how important the practice is for our understanding of the Bible by illustrating how the unfolding words and events of Scripture anticipate, echo, and throw light on one another. Professor Hayes gives a reason to read our Bibles forward and backward. Hayes reminds readers that it was only after Jesus' resurrection that his disciples understood his claim to rebuild a destroyed temple in 3 days. The Apostle John tells us the temple he had spoken of was his body. John chapter 2, verse 21. Only them could they understand a meaning of their Passover celebration, never before understood. See Matthew 26, verse 17 to 29. Only in retrospect could they affect on how Jesus gave fullness of meaning to an ancient king's deep feelings for the house of God. Psalm 69, verse 9. John chapter 2, 16 and 17. Only by reading the scriptures in light of the true temple of God, Jesus himself, could the disciples how the ritual of Israel's religion and Messiah would throw light on one another. And now, only by reading these same scriptures backward and forward, can we see in Jesus everything that any of us has ever needed or longed for? Father in heaven, thank you for letting me live long enough to see your ability to show up and reveal the wonder of your presence in ways I could not have foreseen. Thank you and good afternoon. God bless us all.